Here is a look into the emerging job role of prompt engineer.
It's a combination of critical thinking, language skills, and technical knowledge.
Here is a look into the emerging job role of prompt engineer, which involves using critical thinking and language skills to optimize responses from language model software. It highlights the importance of clear and specific prompts, the potential for diverse educational backgrounds in this field, and the growing demand for prompt engineers in the AI industry.
So, we're taking a look at a new job role called prompt engineer. It's a combination of critical thinking, language skills, and technical knowledge. The person in this role works with a language model software called Jenny to provide the best responses to user requests.
That's right. The prompt engineer's main task is to find the best inputs for the software, such as expanding text, summarizing, or finding evidence to support a claim in bids and proposals. They also ensure that the coding and prompts behind the software create accurate and consistent results.
And what's interesting is that you don't necessarily need a background in computer science or machine learning to be a prompt engineer.
Yes, that's Teodora Danilovic. She used her knowledge of logic and linguistics from her philosophy degree and gained technical skills on the job. It just goes to show that different backgrounds can be valuable in this field.
Absolutely. Language plays a crucial role in prompt engineering. Understanding how we use language, the nuances of tone and expression, and finding the right words is essential for this job.
Right? And another important point is that clear and unambiguous prompts are necessary for effective communication with the language model. Being particularly specific with instructions can lead to better results.
Exactly. And as new versions of language models are released, prompt engineers have to adapt their prompts and test them against the new models. It's a continuous process of improvement.
And finally, it's worth mentioning that prompt engineering is a growing field, and there's potential for good salaries. Some prompt engineers in Silicon Valley are reportedly earning up to $300,000 per year.
That's quite impressive. But it's important to note that experience and expertise play a role in determining salary as well.
Absolutely, and overall, prompt engineering is just one example of how AI is creating new job roles and opportunities for people with diverse skills. Do us a favor and please hit subscribe, and maybe even tell a friend. Now let's keep the discussion going, taking a look at